Hello and welcome to my channel. Here is my design for you today. Very easy black and white design with green rhinestone. For this design you will need black and white paint and green rhinestones. To begin with, paint the tip of your nail black paint with 3 hills like this and allow it to dry. Then, using white paint and a thin brush, paint few stripes like this. Like this. Apply top coat. And add 1 green rhinestone in the middle, like this. Apply second layer of the top coat and you're done. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and comment. Try with your favorite rhinestones and different colors. Take care and until next time.